Today we have a Matar Paneer on the menu. Matar Paneer is a vegetarian North Indian dish consisting of peas and paneer in tomato-based sauce spiced with the garam masala. So we're going to show you how to make it. Let's start with the ingredients. So in the ingredients, we have unsalted butter, coriander leaves, green peas, diced tomatoes, fenugreek dried leaves, chili powder, turmeric, diced onion, paneer, and some mixed garam masala spices. So we're gonna start with heating a pan and spray some oil. You can use a couple of spoons of canola or vegetable oil as well, and we're going to fry that one. We're just gonna get nice golden brown color from each side. So it will make like a coating. And once we seal this, we're gonna put it on the side, and in the same pan we're starting with the oil. We start with the ginger garlic paste. I forgot to mention on the beginning. And some onion. So we're gonna fry them really well. I got a non-stick pan, so it's quite easy for me to cook it on this pan. But you can do it in normal pan as well. It's not much difference. So once we got like golden brown color, we're gonna add that butter cubes. Start with the spices. We have a turmeric, that garam masala, chili powder, so the reason we're frying the masala is we get like really good aroma out of it. Then we're adding the tomato, the diced tomato, and cover it. After a while, so tomato release the juice, and then we'll make it like really nice thick sauce, and then we add some water. So we are making sure we are not going to burn from the bottom. So basically we're preparing the sauce. Then we add the green peas, some salt, I like some cracked pepper on my curry, so the cracked pepper is optional. And the fenugreek dried leaves, so it is an optional too. If you don't like fenugreek, you don't need to put it. And we add that paneer and the coriander. So let it set. So paneer we put it right at the end. Matar paneer is ready to serve. So we can serve with the rice or the roti.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.